Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache Tomcat 9.0 from its source code in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Ant 1.10 and JDK 11. So you may need internet connection to build Apache Tomcat 9 because some jar files will be downloaded. Okay, so this is my Apache Tomcat 9.0 source code zip file. So I have provided the download link in the description of this video. So I am going to extract the zip file content here. So I have extracted the zip file content. So this is the directory structure of the source code zip file content. So it contains bin directory, conf directory. So bin directory contains a lot of executable files. And this is a build.xml file. So the build.xml contains all the information how we are going to build the source code. So it contains lot of targets in XML tags. Okay. So before I proceed to build, this is my Ant installation. So I have installed Ant 1.10 in my D drive. Also, I have added the Ant bin directory to the Windows path variable and Java bin directory to the Windows path variable, so that Ant and Java commands will be available in the uh, Windows command prompt, so that I can execute the Ant and Java commands in command prompt. Okay, so this is my settings. Now let us move to the source code folder in command line. Let me open the command prompt. Apache Tomcat 9.0 source code file. Okay, open in command prompt, please. Okay, just type the command ant because this directory contains build.xml. So I'm typing the command ant. That's it. Now you can see that source code is getting built. So I already told that you need some internet connection in order to download some jar files. Make sure that you have a high speed internet connection. So you can see that Apache Tomcat 9 is getting built using Ant 1.10 and Java 11. Yes, so build is successful. So within 30 seconds, you can see that Apache Tomcat 9 is got built. So make sure that you have internet connection in order to download some jar files. You can see that this is the deployment logs, and you can see that example web apps are copied to the web apps directory. Okay, let us move to the folder. You can see output folders is got created. So in the output folder, you can see build directory. So in build directory, you can see that entire Tomcat 9 destroys that. Bin directory contains executables. Conf directory contains XML and configuration file. Lib directory contains all the Tomcat jar files. So web apps directory contains all the example web applications. So this is the directory structure of Apache Tomcat 9. This got built in my mission. So you can also give one try. So we have successfully built Apache Tomcat 9 in Windows 10 operating system.